Going on YouTube, back with another video. As you can see, we in fucking snow right now. It finally went to snow in Atlanta, first time in 10 years. It's like the second time since I lived in Atlanta it done snowed, and I've been living in Atlanta for 20-something years. That just put it in perspective. Y'all, everybody outside too trying to get their little snow video in, snow picking. But this shit don't happen in Atlanta, man. This shit, cause it snowed before. I don't know if y'all know, but it snowed like 10 years ago, and everybody was stuck in the city. Like niggas was stuck on a bus, kids was stuck on a bus, niggas was stuck on the street at work. Imagine being stuck on the road, no food, nothing to eat, can't go see your folks for like 3 or 4 days. That shit is crazy work. So now they should be a little bit more prepared, the city of Atlanta, for this shit. That was 10 years ago, y'all. But where y'all from? Comment below what city you in, what state you in, and do y'all get snow a lot? How it go for y'all? Like, I know I gotta smoke me some of that brain candy in the snow. Got to. Yeah, y'all, I ain't really no big ass snow fan. Like, I ain't gonna get out here and play in the snow and no shit like that. That just ain't me. I really just want to come out here and give a little update to like what I got going on. Clothes is on the way. The load is about 75% done. I say about 75% done. We should be dropping beginning of February. Beginning of February, we should be dropping. I'm dropping hella pieces, y'all. This is gonna be my biggest drop to date. That's why it's taking so long. It's my biggest drop to date, but yeah, I'm gonna be dropping pieces. Got a new Rolling with FYPM show coming out very soon. I was supposed to shoot it yesterday, but with this snow, probably not gonna shoot it tomorrow. Probably another day we shoot, but yeah, more episodes on the way. More everything on the way, really, y'all. I'm just working so hard, 2025. I ain't bullshitting, ain't letting up, ain't giving up. Putting foot on fucking niggas' necks and shit, you feel me? But y'all look. And you out here in the fucking snow. It's cold as shit. It's not that cold, y'all. Really not that cold. But yeah, I can't even drive my fucking car. If you don't know, my truck rear wheel drive. I can't even drive my shit. I'm really stuck. I'm really stuck in the house. I do got some shit to do later on. I don't know how I'm gonna get there. We gonna see. But I'm really stuck in the house, y'all. I got rear wheel drive. I got rear wheel drive, so I can't really drive my shit for real. But we gonna see. I do got some shit to do. I do got some shit to handle, y'all. But I'm trapped in Atlanta. I got trapped in the snowstorm. That's gonna be the title of this video, Trapped in a Snowstorm in Atlanta. But yeah, keep the jacket though. You feel I blend in, real blend in. I've been itching to wear this. But like I said, wear everything on the way. We got clothes on the way, papers on the way. I know I've been saying that too for like the last couple months, but y'all, this shit don't take that quick. It may look that quick when you see motherfuckers posting on Instagram and shit, but that shit don't be that quick. That shit take months. If you're not prepared for it, it takes months. And I'm not prepared for it, to be honest with y'all. So, new shit on the way. But y'all, this shit really just feel like rain. I'm gonna be honest. It don't even feel like fucking snow. It feel like hard ass rain. So I'm really just getting rained on right now. But I'm doing it for y'all, doing it for the video. But yeah, this me, snowed in Atlanta, trapped in Atlanta. Somebody send me some soup in the thick, bitch, please. Somebody send me some soup in the thick, bitch, please. This shit ain't gonna last though. It's gonna be sunny by tomorrow. This shit gonna be melting like a motherfucker. So you gotta enjoy it while it lasts. That's why I hopped down and did this video. Do a little video in the snow right quick. But yeah. Y'all stay warm, stay safe. Stay your ass in the house. Hey, y'all comment down below. Let me know what's your favorite fucking meal to eat when it's cold. Like when it's cold as hell outside, what you eating? You eating noodles? What you getting? Some hot chocolate?
Correct.